Crystal Crop Protection. Crystal is committed towards improving farm profitability and sustainability through advancing R&D in crop protection, seeds and farm mechanization services.
Our vision is to be amongst the most admired crop solution companies. To achieve this, we strive for excellence in R&D, our distribution network and technology.
More than 2 decades of dedication and hard work has made Crystal achieve commendable milestones. To ensure Indian farmers get the best crop solutions, Crystal is striving for excellence in areas of R&D, sourcing and manufacturing capabilities, deep penetration for building brand, institutional business, inorganic growth. Recognizing the need of R&D for Indian agriculture, Crystal established an independent research lab, KRDC. Company's focus on R&D has enabled it to file 18 patents, out of which 3 have already been commercialized. Currently, company has 4 formulation units and 1 technical manufacturing unit. Crystal is expanding technical manufacturing through its upcoming new technical plants in Dahej and Nagpur. Crystal has a pan-India presence, having deep penetration with stock supplied from 32 distribution centers to its 7,000 plus distributors. Crystal, through its 840 Crystal Crop Advisors team, work closely with farmers in their farmland and deliver right farming technology at the farmer's doorstep. Crystal have made 5 strategic acquisitions, starting from Rohini Seeds in 2011 to Syngenta's Seeds brands in 2018. Apart from crop protection business, upcoming focus lies in seeds, agricultural equipment and exports. Beside being a leader in agriculture, Crystal supports its social responsibility, which are led by its chairman, Mr. N.K. Agrawal. Mr. Agrawal is the president of Bharat Lok Shiksha Parishad, a non-government organization.
We work together towards imparting education to poor children and women.
Under his stewardship, Crystal supports 100 Ekal Vidyalay, providing free education to poor children. Crystal also implements Vatsalyagram to improve the lives of orphans and widows.
As a responsible corporate citizen, we envision to create an inclusive and sustainable environment